can take notes while recording. Tap the More icon on the page menu and tap the Start Recording button. When the recording starts, the recording signs will be indicated. If you take notes while recording, your writing data will be saved with audio. Press the record bar and press the stop button to complete recording. Now let's replay the voice memo. Tap the More icon at the top of the page and tap the recording icon to see your voice memo. Select a voice memo and press the play button to replay. The part without writings only plays the voice, and the part recorded with writings plays with the voice. You can play back the writing time-lapse you made with Demo. You can replay what was said at the time the note was written. Save and share the writing time-lapse as a video file. Create a GIF and share it. You can easily find your notes by tags. There are two ways to add tag. First, let's add tags from the page. You can also add tags from the main menu. You can easily share your pages. Tap the More icon, then tap the Share icon. Select the file format. You can share with or without the page background. You can share the selected pages through email and social media.